our way to Chikmagalur, and on the way there is this dam that we have just come across. I don't know what the name is, but the dam is really beautiful, and you don't get the entire entry inside, but from here you can see the scenic beauty of this place. Far you can see the water, and there is a small dam here. वो वाला उठा के इधर लाने का उर्दू में आता
पाऊस चालू झालाय का?
होईलच झाड पुरे बेर आहे We reached Chikmagalur, and as we entered the city it started raining heavily. So the beautiful scenery with the rain, it's amazing. What luck we had today to get rains on our way.
कैसा जाएगा सर गाड़ी ऐसा जाएगा घंटी कर
We have reached Chikmagalur, and now we have taken the hosteler, which is a backpackers hostel, and all of us have reached there. It was all rainy when we came in, but now it has become sunny, and we just had our lunch. It's little too late for the lunch, but we had now, and all of us are now planning to get to the main scene of the day. We will be exploring Chikmagalur. हार्ट फेल होगा उसका. हाँ. This is the coffee plantation at the hosteler where we have stayed, and see the seeds have started appearing. It generally ripens in January. It's plugged in January, December, January, but they have started coming. But this place was very nice, where you had actual coffee plantation and areca nut trees. You can really feel a kind of stay in a plantation or a jungle. So you should visit this place.
It's really worth visiting. Everyone should come at least once.
We are at Chikmagalur, and now we have come to this topmost point, Mulyanagiri. Here there is a temple on my left side. Mulyanagiri is 2 kilometers up by road. Jeeps go that way, but now some road construction work is going on, so we can't go to that topmost point, but we will be climbing here 2 kilometers this distance up, so that we can have a look at the city. Come on guys, climb with me. We have to go to that top. What you see there, that is the highest peak of Karnataka. But unfortunately, yesterday at 2 o'clock they stopped all the vehicles up there, and so we have to stop here. It's so sad, but then the view from here is also amazing. Only it is from a little lower height. You can see the scenic beauty. The mountains are all green. We have green mountains here, and the sky seems to be touching the mountains. The clouds are we just have completed rains, and you can see the dark clouds is touching, and the fog in between the mountains. It is amazing. And I have these two golden friends.
There are no words to speak about this beauty, and thanks to my lovely friend.
We are on our way down now, but we need to be very careful. The way is slippery, but it is really enjoyable.
कितना समझते 10 साइड में साइड
We have come here at the top of the mountain to Baba Budhangiri's Dargah. This is actually the person who had smuggled seeds of coffee from God knows where, and he had brought it hidden in his beard. And then that is how the Chikmagalur got these coffee plantations. This is a narrow way to go down. Only one person can walk. And there's a lake, Talab here. I am also new to the place and I am exploring this. This is exactly in the cave. You can see I got the entire setup. Beautiful. It's a cave here. We have come to the exit of this Baba Budan, and there are lots of people here. They have faith in him. They come here with their offerings. He was a saint, and there is just a small memorial inside there, but it is still believed that Baba Budan is still alive. Now we have come to this place where we have to go to waterfall. That is a Jerry waterfall, and since the normal vehicles can't go till that place, it's off-road. So again we have to take this jeep. This costs you around 800 rupees, not around exactly 800 rupees, and it's around 4 to 5 kilometers that we have to go down. So we will go to the waterfall. We are having a roller coaster ride. The road is completely off-road. There is no road at all in fact. And this is a private property belonging to some tea or coffee estate. It's belonging to one person. And the way route is made to reach the waterfall. हाथी का रास्ता है.
Oh!
किधर पानी पानी? Oh my God, look at the path. कितना लंबा है?
जास्ती कर रहा है
We have just got down from the jeep and now we are moving towards the waterfall. And you can see my friends, they are all moving along. Coming, these are the 4 people I have come here with.
It's really a thrilling experience. कितना सुंदर है फणस को कितनी छान लगी फणस
This is where the waterfall is. You can hear the rustling of the water. The water is flowing down. We have to go right up to get the source of this fall. I'll zoom and show you. This is where we have to actually reach. This is the place where the waterfall starts. And then it flows down right. That's where my other friends are. Wow, beautiful.
Not.
And Chittoor, we have gone to so many places, mountain tops, hilltops and the scenic beauty. But finally this is the place where I have found the final feeling of coming to Chikmagalur. This is amazing, beautiful. The nature has carved it so well and it is deep seated. So you have to come on the jeep and that is another ride off-road and then here this is a big surprise when you come here. It's a hidden gem.
Oi.
This fascinating stop was our last destination for our Chikmagalur tour. But that full stop was amazing. We are very happy to carry these memories with us. They were too good. Chikmagalur actually started and ended here. That is what I think. We are done with our tour now. We will be going back to Bangalore. Bye bye. See you in the next